In order to book a landing page in conjunction with your audience extension campaign, you first need to log into AE Portal. Once on the dashboard home screen, you would click Actions, New Order. From here, we're going to fill out the information being requested. So for company, we'll choose Sun Media Multimedia. For customer name, for my purpose, I'm going to input test, but you would be inputting your actual customer's name. For sales rep, your name that you've logged in under is already in place. If you need to place the landing page under another sales rep name, you can simply type it in and choose their name from the list. After that, you'll see Order Templates and Custom. So we're going to click on the Custom tab, and then we're going to choose our product. So for this purpose, I'm just going to choose North Bay. From here, you'll see a bunch of ad types show up. So if you scroll down to the bottom, under Web URL, you will see Dev Hub Landing Page. So you're going to click on that and choose Create. From here, you're brought to the Edit Order page. So the first thing we're going to do is choose our production method. So you have a couple options. For this purpose, I'm going to choose Spec Ad. You can also choose New Build, but please ensure you do have a DTI number for this. The size is going to be standard. You have a couple other options here. It doesn't matter which one you choose, it'll always be a standard landing page, and the basic and advanced option will be taken away at some point, but the one to choose is standard. In terms of page count, it'll always be one page. Even if the landing page ends up being a long scrolling page, it is always still considered one page. For production comments, you would place in your DTI billing number. For the run date, we ask that you choose at least 5 or more days ahead of the current date to ensure it gives enough time for the landing page to be created, as well as proofing, back and forth, and then final approval. So for this purpose, I'm going to choose the 20th, and then the to date, I will choose the 21st. For placement, you will always be choosing website. And then for tagline, you can just enter a simple couple word tagline. I'm just going to put test landing page. I'm going to click Save and Activate. You have the options to save only or save and activate. I'm going to save and activate, as if I just simply save the ad, I would have to come back at a later date and activate the order. From here, you're going to see on the left side of the page all the information in regards to your order. On the right hand side, you'll see no preview. This is where your preview will appear. By hitting Control R, you'll end up seeing that the production status changes from booked to awaiting materials. So this means we need to upload our material. So to do this, you would click Actions, Upload Material. And here you would click Choose File and then Start Upload. Now it is recommended that you upload as much as possible and try to be as clear as possible. If you can upload a layout, possible images to use, and copy, that will ensure that you get a proof back much quicker. So from here, once you upload it, you will see the production status changed from awaiting materials to materials submitted. From there, it's in the hands of production to work on, and once it's ready, you will receive a proof in your email letting you know. So if I just go over to my email, here you can see that I have a proof ready. So in the body of the email, it shows me my order information and a screenshot of the page. If I click Review Proof, I will then be brought to AE Portal, and this is where I would be logged into. So this is the proofing page for the landing page. Now you will notice it does look very different from a regular ad unit. That is because landing pages are completely different than ad units, so I'm just going to kind of go through how you would work with this. So in the top right corner here, you'll see Open in New Window. So if you click on that, it's going to open the actual landing page in a different window. So here it's opened, and we can see a proof of the landing page. So if you are not happy with this proof and maybe you need a couple minor changes, you would do that through AE Portal. So I'm going to go back to AE Portal. Now if you choose markup proof, you're not going to have the same options as you do with a regular ad unit, so I'm just going to show you that quickly. If I choose markup proof and then I say yes, I want to mark up this proof, you can see that I have the options over here to add comments, and I can save them and then submit them, but you can't actually see the landing page, so this could be somewhat confusing. So my suggestion would be to click Return to Order Details. We're just going to click OK, that we do want to return. And then from here, I would suggest that you simply upload your materials in a Word doc in point form. That'll be much easier instead of actually doing it through markup, because when you mark it up, it's not actually going to be associated with anything on the page. So here you would just click Actions, Upload Material. So once you've done that, you're sending away your changes to be done by the design team, and you would go through the process again where you would get an email notification when your proof is ready. Once your final proof is ready and everything looks good, you are going to want to send a revision back to ensure that you get the pixels uploaded into the landing page for tracking purposes when you're ready to upload it to your overall campaign. So if I got this proof back and I really like it and I'm ready to approve it, what I would need to do is scroll down the page and click on Files. From here you can see any files associated with this order. So I'm looking for the ad number and then .pdf. So if I were to click on that, what I'm going to get is a PDF here. So this is what it opens. You get a preview URL, the actual URL, and then an email and password. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to copy this second URL and you're going to upload it to Idea with the rest of your campaign. If you've already uploaded the rest of the ads that are going to be running, you can simply upload this URL as a revision to the campaign. If you haven't uploaded any of it yet, you would just upload it all as one package. And that's it, and that's all you would need to do to send your landing page into Idea to be placed online, and those are the steps.